In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove pimples and blemishes on the face of your model before you start retouching. Very easy and simple. My name is Didi and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe, and if you haven't yet, kindly do subscribe, please. I need it. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into Photoshop and start editing. Alright, so we have our image here loaded up here in Photoshop. Yeah, my beautiful model over here. So I'm going to leave the link to her Instagram in the description below so that you can check it out. Right, so what I've actually done a couple of adjustments over here. So this is the background, and I duplicated it, and then I added a little bit of light to it just to make it a little bit bright for us to see everything clearly. After you duplicate the image over here, we're going to use the patch tool to do this. So what the patch tool does is we're going to circle around the parts that we don't like, and then we're going to drag it to a cleaner area or a clearer area. So let's just jump in and start doing it. So yeah, so let's start with this one. So as you can see, this pimple over here, this side, this is where we don't like, and this side is much cleaner. So we're going to just circle it up like this, and then we're just going to drag it to the side. Yes, like as you can see, the pimple is gone. So that's basically what we're going to do for the whole image. So we're going to circle and drag it to the side that is cleaner. So we circle and then drag, circle and drag. So we're going to continue this till we have removed everything, all the blemishes and all the pimples from her face or from the skin. Like this. One thing you should note is you shouldn't, assuming you circle the side and then you drag it to a far place. As you can see, the skin texture over here and that side is different, so it's gonna bring some kind of difference in the image. So you're just gonna circle and then drag it just around the area which you are doing the work, right? Like this. So you circle and then you drag. You circle and then you drag, just like that. Yes, so let's proceed to the side. We'll do the same thing. The same thing to the side. Let's check the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So let's proceed to the side. Circle, drag, circle, drag, like that. So I normally do this when I'm about to retouch. This is the first thing that I do before I start retouching my images, just to clean it up. So you can do that as well, but depending on the work that you're doing. So if you want it very fast, you just do this and then deliver your work, depending on the work. Yeah, but if you want to take it further and then do your retouching, then you just do this, and then when you finish, you continue and then retouch. Yeah, now let's come to the cheeks. Yeah, so I'm going to do my best to be posting a new tutorial, retouching tutorial every week on this channel. So kindly support me by liking, and if you love the content that I post over here on this channel as well, kindly support me by subscribing so that I can be posting more. I can be doing it and posting more over here. Yeah, so we're just going to continue doing this until everything is done, until everything is perfect. Yeah, you can just take your time with it. Before I used to do it with my mouse, but I'm currently doing it with my Wacom tablet. If you don't have a Wacom tablet, you can use your mouse as well to do it. Yeah, it doesn't make any difference. Yeah, so then let's move to the chest as well. So repeat the same thing. Circle and then drag. Circle and drag. Circle, drag to a cleaner area. Now advise that whenever you're doing it, you take your time to do it for the best results. I always love to duplicate. You can do it on your background layer as well, but maybe you might do a mistake, and then you might need the same copy of background again, and then you won't be able to get it. So it's advisable you always duplicate your image, your background image, before you start working. Control 0 to zoom out, and then check if everything is okay. So I think it's okay for me. Yeah, I can now start doing my other stuff, doing my frequency separation. Yeah, just like that. I think it's okay for me. So you're cool with that, you just control, click on the background, and then just merge the layers like that, so you have it on one layer. So that is okay for me. So this is a simple tutorial, guys. I hope it helped you guys. Yeah, if you learned anything from the video as well, kindly leave a comment in the comment section, and like this video, and then subscribe for more. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for your time as well. Bye.